Welcome to Ownprint. In this video, we'll look at what happens when you get an order. When a customer buys from your store, the order syncs automatically into your Ownprint orders page. And here's the beautiful part. Your customer has already paid you at the price you set, so you've already made your profit, and all that's left is to cover the production and shipping cost with us. We then bring the piece to life and ship it straight to your customer. So let's open the order. Everything is already prepared for you. You'll see the product that was purchased, the options your customer chose like the color and engraving options, and the personalization they entered in the fields you've created for the buyer personalization, such as their name, a date or a text for the back engraving. Below that, you'll find your design, your mock-up and your branding cards, all synced automatically from your product. There's nothing you need to create. But if anything ever needs changing, it's easy. You can change an option or swap the product entirely using the Change Variant or Product button and replace any design or card using the pink Edit button. You can edit the shipping address and even leave a note for our team with special instructions. When everything looks good, just review the order summary, apply your own print points if you'd like to lower the cost, choose your payment method and pay. That's the moment production begins. On your first order, you'll also add your billing details. These stay private, and only your brand name ever appears on the package sent to your customer. And from there, you can relax. We prepare, produce, pack, and ship everything for you. Your tracking number appears on your orders page as soon as the order is packed and labeled. Then, when it ships and begins transit, that same tracking automatically syncs to your store, and the order is marked as completed both on your own print dashboard and your own store. So that's really all there is to it. You get the sale, you approve the order, and we handle the rest.